No one of us like the appearance of stretch marks on our skin. They can be so annoying no matter where they appear. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an extremely powerful DIY at home remedy you can make that has almost completely taken away my stretch marks. And I'm confident if you follow this video, it will do the same for you. We're going to be needing some ingredients, and our first natural ingredient we'll be needing today is cucumber. I'm going to be using half of it. Cucumber juice provides the cooling, soothing effect, leaving your skin fresh. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells to reveal younger cells underneath. The tomato is considered a beauty vegetable. If included in your daily diet, it will positively affect your skin. So massaging the area where stretch marks are present on your skin with tomato juice will give you significant results. Our next ingredient is half of a lemon. The lemon juice is a natural way to help with the discoloration that stretch marks brings, including white and red marks. This will help bleach and blend the skin. We're also going to be needing some milk. Milk will help nourish your skin and keep it soft as well. One of the greatest benefits of rose water is its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps reduce skin redness. Go ahead, grab your grater and grate your cucumber. You can use a blender if that's easier for you. So this is our grated cucumber. Set it aside and grate your tomato as well. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, click on that notification bell button. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So this is our tomato and cucumber. The next step is to mix this. Add 2 tablespoons of your baking soda. Squeeze some lemon and get some juice out of it. Then also mix it with your cucumber, tomato and baking soda. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk. One tablespoon of rose water and mix. This remedy is really great, guys. You can use this for example to get rid of dark underarms, dark inner thighs. If you have dark spots or let's say acne scars, you can use this mixture and it works so well. Transfer your mixture to your container. I have a glass one, but you can use anything you have on hand. And you can store this mixture in the fridge for up to a week. So this is how I use it. I first clean the affected area with lukewarm water. After that, I take my mixture and try to scrub it, massage the affected area for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then I wash it off again with lukewarm water. I pat dry it with my small towel. And I apply my aloe vera gel. I like aloe vera gel, it's so soothing. But you can use any cream of your choice. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.